In the beginning of April 2023, we have already seen that Elementor has introduced us with the Elementor AI. As per the document, in the second quarter of 2023, we will have Elementor with the AI features. Recently, I have received an email from Elementor about the introduction to Elementor AI, and I was surprised to see the email that says that we have the Elementor AI in the beta version of Elementor. So in this video, we will see how we can enable the beta version of Elementor, and we will practically check out all the AI features which are now available under the beta version of Elementor. So let us check out. Hi, this is Prakash from theskillwheel.com, and here we are checking out the Elementor AI features. So to enable the beta version of Elementor, we just need to install the free version of Elementor. And once it is installed, we just need to activate it. So now from the Elementor, go to the Elementor tools. And here you need to go to the version control and enable the beta tester. So once you save the changes, you will see a pop-up saying get beta updates, and here you just need to enter the email address. So now if we go to the dashboard and updates, you will see that you have a pop-up saying Elementor Developer Edition, and you just need to install the developer version and activate it. So now here also it says there is a new version for Elementor, and we can update it to the latest developer version. So now it says 3.13.0 Developer 2. So with this, we have now enabled the developer version for Elementor. And now the most exciting part is to check the Elementor AI features. So now if we go to any of the sections and click on the title to edit it, you'll see that you have the Write with AI option. And if you click on it, you get a pop-up with the AI options. So here you will see that you have the option to simplify the language, make it longer, make it shorter, fix the spelling and grammar. So I will click on make it longer, and you will see that the same title is now converted to a longer title, and it is too big to fit in as a title, but it has converted the same title into an elaborated paragraph. So here I can also simplify the language, or I can make it shorter. Another feature that we have with this AI tool is that we can change the tone of this content, and at the moment it is looking more of a casual tone for this content, and let me convert it to maybe a playful content. And immediately you will see that it has translated it into a friendly kind of a conversation. So let me make it short. And now you can use this text as the title for this section. So let us go to the testimonial section, and here I will try to write the content with the AI, and I will say change the tone to maybe friendly, and I will simplify the language as well. So this is how you can create the content for your website by using the AI tool which is coming your way on the Elementor. Though many of you might think that this feature is not that exciting because you already have the ChatGPT in hand, but this feature is definitely going to change the way we write the content for our website simply because this is an inbuilt feature which Elementor is bringing for us. The only worry is about this upgrade button, and if we click the Get Elementor AI, it is obviously not available at the moment. But we can just assume that this is going to be an upgrade to the existing Elementor plugin, and we might have to pay a little bit to Elementor to get the Pro features for the AI. Along with the content creation, you also get a feature called the Translate To, and here you can simply translate the content that you have created to different languages. So I will click on any of the language. So let me click on Greek, and within seconds, it has translated the content into Greek. I'm not very sure whether it has correctly translated it to Greek because I am not aware of this language. So let us assume that the translation is perfectly done by this tool. This is going to be helpful if you are creating the content in different languages, and you can simply go and select the language of your choice and translate the content to your desired language. So I will translate it again to English, and we will see the next feature, that is the new prompts. And from here you can give new prompts to get the content written by Elementor AI. So we have some suggestion prompts already given for us, and it says write a product description, create a blog post, create an about us section, offer few sentences to invite visitors, write microcopy for a submission form that includes something. So here, because we are writing about a product, I will say write a product description for a beauty cream. So here immediately you will see that it has written few lines about beauty creams, and such things can be used for writing the descriptions for the WooCommerce products. So this feature is definitely going to help us a lot, and it is definitely going to save us a lot of time as well. Not only this, if we copy this content and we will make this as the content box. So now we have a content or a description for the product, and now if we go to write with AI and give it a prompt to write a short title for this paragraph, and we say generate a text, you'll see that we have a nice title saying the role of artificial intelligence in healthcare. And like this, we can also write a title based on the available content on our website. Being a non-coder, the most exciting thing I was looking for is the custom CSS creation. And here we will see some examples. And for this, let us go to this section and click on this title. Now go to Advanced and scroll down to the custom CSS. Here you will see code with AI, and if you click on this, you will see a pop-up where you can give the prompts and it will create a custom CSS for you. So here in this box, I just need to enter a few prompts, and there are few prompts that we already see under the suggested prompts. So here I will just type make the background blue upon hover. So if I click on generate code, you will see that it has given us the code, and if you click on insert, you will see that when I hover over this text, the background becomes blue. Now let us make this little interesting and remove this. And now say make the background blue and text color white upon hover. So it has created the code, and let us insert this code. And now you will see that we have the background changed to blue and the text color to white when we hover over this section. So let us see some more examples. And for this, let us click on this text and go to Advanced, Custom CSS, and click on Code with AI. So here we will give the prompt, make the text move horizontally in a loop. So let us generate the code. And now if we insert the code, you will see that the text is now moving horizontally. And now let us reduce the speed to 6 seconds. It will move little slower. Let us see another example for the images, and let us click on this image and go to Advanced, Custom CSS, and Code with AI. So let us give the prompt for the image upon hover, change the filter color from grayscale, so let me correct this, to full color, and the border radius from 0% to 50% with smooth transition. So let us generate the code and say insert. So now if we hover over the image, you will see a nice effect over this image. Similarly, there can be many CSS applications, and let us see one more and you will get the exact idea. So here there is a shipping icon, and if I click on Edit and go to Advanced, Custom CSS, and Code with AI, here I will simply type in the prompt, make the image shake upon hover, and let us see what it does. So I have clicked on generate the code, and let us now insert this code. If I hover over this image, it actually shakes multiple times. Isn't it exciting that we are able to create such difficult codes without even knowing how to code? So I'm really excited to see this feature live in the upcoming versions of Elementor. The next feature is the HTML embedding feature, and this feature enables you to embed HTML anywhere on your website. So here if you type HTML and drag this element to the box, here you will see that you have the tab for the code with AI, and if you click on this, you will again get a window to create the HTML code to embed the code snippet resources. This will be useful particularly if you are looking for a feature to embed the HTML code for the Google Analytics or the Facebook Pixel. So I already see this prompt to write an embed code for the Google Analytics, and if I select this and click on generate code, I see the HTML code to embed the Google Analytics on our website. So I will simply insert this and it will embed the Google Analytics on our website. So I'm definitely excited to see when all these AI features are made available for the developers. Hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications for all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much and take care.